Hello students, welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your English teacher Nancy Pandey. So students, today I am here with a comprehension of your chapter number 2, that is Thank You Friend. So students, this story is about of four animals: a crow, a tortoise, a mouse, and a deer. So, in this story, we know that how the four friends help each other when they are caught in trouble. So, let's do the comprehension. Question number A. Circle the correct words to complete these sentences. So, students, here few sentences are given. You have to complete these sentences by the help of choosing correct words from the given two words. Now, look at the first one. The friend meets every day or on Sundays and spent time with each other. So, students, in this story, we studied that the friends met every day and spent time with each other. So, here the correct word is every day. So, you have to circle the word every day. Now, in second, one day the deer got trapped in a cup or net. So, students, you know very well, one day the deer got trapped in a net. So, here you have to circle the word net. Now, the third one. The crow picked the mouse up and flew to the riverbank or school. So, students, here our correct word is riverbank. The crow picked the mouse up and flew to the riverbank. So you have to circle the word riverbank. Now the fourth one is the deer thought of a plan to save the. So students, in this story you learn that the deer thought of a plan to save the tortoise. So the correct word is tortoise. You have to circle the word tortoise. Now question number B. Who said these words? Write their names on the blanks. So students, here few sentences are given. You have to recognize the word said by animal and you have to write the name on the given blanks. Now let's do the first one. Why don't you stay with us? So students, who said this word? This word was said by a tortoise to deer. So here you have to write tortoise in the blank space. Now the second one, I will look around for him. So students, do you know who said this word? Yes, this word was said by a crow. So you have to write crow in the given blank. Now the third one. If the crow takes me there, I will cut the ropes. This word was said by a mouse. So here you have to write mouse in the given blank. Now let's come to the question number C. Where did the four friends live? So students, you know very well the four friends were lived in a forest. Now the second one, who went to look for the deer? The crow went to look for the deer. Now the third one, how did the mouse offer to help? So here the answer is the mouse offer crow to take him on the bank of the river so that he could cut the ropes and made deer free. Now the fourth one, what did the deer pretend to be? The deer pretend to be dead. Now students, let's play with words. Question number D. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. So students, here some words are given in the box. You have to choose the correct word and write in the correct blank. The first one is done. A lion has a mane. The second, a cow has horns. In third, a monkey has a long tail. Students, you know very well, a monkey has a long tail. Now the fourth one is a tortoise has a shell. Now, the fifth one is a deer has spots. The last one is a tiger has stripes. Now students, let's come to the question number E. Circle the words you can use in place of underlined word. So students, here some words are underlined. You have to choose the correct word from the given two words. Don't be afraid. In this sentence, the underlined word is afraid. So the meaning of afraid is frightened. So you have to circle the word frightened. Now the second sentence is the deer was trapped in a net. Here the underlined word is trapped. It means caught. So you have to circle the word caught. Now let's come to the third one. The tortoise came crawling. So students, in this sentence, the underlined word is crawling. It means moving slowly. So you have to circle the word moving slowly. Now let's come to the fourth one. The deer thought of a plan to save the tortoise. Here the underlined word is plan. So the meaning of plan is an idea. So you have to underline the word an idea. Now let's come to the last one. The mouse gnabbed at the ropes. So here the underlined word is gnabbed. It means bit and cut. So you have to circle the word bit and cut. Now let's come to the question number F. Circle the correct spelling of the words in each row. So students, here you have to circle the correct word in a given row. The first one is Tortiose. This spelling is incorrect. Students, you know the spelling of tortoise? Tortoise. So the correct spelling of tortoise is Tortoise. You have to circle the correct spelling. Now the second one, forest. So students, you know the spelling of forest? Forest. F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. This is the correct spelling of forest. Now in third one, trapped. T-R-A-P-P-E-D is the correct spelling of trapped. Now in fourth one, gently. The correct spelling of gently is Gently. In fifth, here we have to circle the correct spelling of quickly. So students, do you know the spelling of quickly? Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y. This is the correct spelling of quickly. Now let's come to the last. Here you have to circle the correct word spelling of the word slipped. So students, the spelling of slipped is S-L-I-P-P-E-D, slipped. So students, I hope you understand the comprehension by this video. So students, you have to write this in your HW copy from the given PDF in your WhatsApp group. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye and take care. Students, do this in your HW copy and don't forget to mention the date, HW and chapter number and name also. Okay, thank you students.